Welcome WordPress technology to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Beginners Class 1. Free themes for WordPress. Log into WordPress. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance in the left-hand menu. In the drop-down, you will see two options: Themes and Editor. Click on Themes. You will see a list of all the themes currently installed on your WordPress site. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for free WordPress themes Shop Mania. Click on the first link in the search results, which will take you to the Theme Hunk website. On the Theme Hunk website, browse the various e-commerce designs available. Click on the Download Free Theme button for the Shop Mania theme. The theme will be downloaded and saved to your Downloads folder. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Click Upload Theme. And choose the Shop Mania theme zip file. Click Install Now to upload the theme. After installation, three options will appear: Live Preview, Activate, and Return to Themes page. Click Activate to activate the Shop Mania theme. The Shop Mania theme will be added to your active themes, and your other installed themes will be visible. You can delete them if needed. Click Customize. To start customizing your theme, click Install Now under the Theme Setup. You'll see different beautiful designs displayed. Select the first design, Fashion Shop. Click Continue, and then Build My Website. The site will prepare, and once complete, your website will be ready. Beautiful design template installed on website. Transform your site with stunning visuals. To return to the dashboard, click the top icon and go back to the Appearance page. In the next video, you'll cover how to customize the website further and install plugins. WordPress Technology, thank you for watching.